Good evening, America. Flint Eastwood's Armory here. Got an object in here. Been eyeing this up for quite some time. Just been waiting for the right time to buy, and the right time to buy was the other day because 50% off on Midway here. Target camera, right? Getting really sick, getting really old, walking back and forth to the Target or driving, what have you. I know to drive to my 1,000-yard Target, it's a bit of a pain because I have to go down a long driveway, across a road, across a different road, back across a cornfield. It's just a pain. So this hopefully will be a lot easier. We're going to do a little unboxing and see what's up with this. Alright, getting into a little details here. This Target camera is called the Bullseye, right? It's made by SME. SME stands for Shooting Made Easy. Read some reviews, did a little bit of research. I didn't see too much negative paperwork on this company. They offer two different styles, or versions, so to speak. This one, had to get it, of course. The Sniper Edition, right? Transmission range up to 1 mile. The other version only offers 300 yards, which does not do me a whole lot of good. So as you can see, this is what the camera looks like. Look on the back here. A little more details on what's going on here. You got the camera, transmitter that folds up, little screen, tells you some details. This is actually a partial, so to speak, halfway transmitter. If you're doing long distances over 300, you have to put this halfway between yourself and the camera, right? So the camera works off of Wi-Fi. No, you don't need to pay for internet and all that hoopla, right? It emits its own Wi-Fi signal that your phone or your tablet hooks up to, and all you gotta do is download the app. You can use your phone, you can use your tablet. So I think it's going to be pretty darn handy. Just watching some videos online. Let's open it up and see what's up. Okay, looks like it comes with its own little bag, so I guess that's some setup instructions. Comes with its own bag. I guess that's nice for storage and putting in your pickup truck and whatnot. Let's see what we've got here. Tells you how to, basically on these instructions, they don't look too detailed. Tells you how to run the app, power it on, go through all that stuff to connect your phone, how to properly charge it. So just your basic instructions, couple troubleshooting tips and whatnot. Looks like a charger for the unit. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Move this off the side. Definitely going to keep that so I don't damage the camera. First glance here, looking right at the camera, I see the 4 LEDs. I see the light sensor right here. Camera orbits around like this for adjustment, different angles. Little sun hood on top. Looking at the bottom, you can turn off auto night mode, on or off, obviously. So some little feet on the bottom here, 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 and here, textured so they don't slip and slide. Here's some elevation feet. If you got sausage fingers, good luck getting those out. They have textured on the bottom. They do extend. And they don't extend super easy, which is nice, so that way they don't just fall in on you. Looking at the top here, I'm assuming this is our transceiver box on the camera. It sure is. Okay. Here we've got a nut with a little locking tab, so you can position the transceiver whichever way you need to. Swivels like this, side to side, left, right, hoo-ha. Here we got on the side some details about your Wi-Fi signal strength and all that stuff. I'm not sure what that means because I have not read the instructions yet. So the bottom here, I'm assuming this is our midway transceiver. I think it pulls out. I think. Yep. So it latches in there nice, so that's a good thing. And here's our midway transceiver. It just slides out of the bottom. There's a little finger catch here. Pull it out. Blammo. Okay. Here we've got a little rubber deal. Some water resistancy charging port on and off switch. Flip it over. Nothing crazy. Here we've got our signal strength, connectivity, LED indicators. Bottom, we got a 1/4 inch. Don't remember a thread pitch. It looks like a coarse thread for your normal tripods. You can thread that on there if you don't want this just sitting on the ground. You can put it on a tripod, what have you, to elevate it a little bit. And also, actually, the camera itself also has one on the bottom. So if you don't want to set the camera on the ground, you need to elevate it a little bit. You can put one right in there. That's kind of neat. So we'll slide this back in. Overall, it's got some weight to it, definitely, I'll admit. The plastic doesn't seem to be super chintz. Just looking at these legs here, wiggling them side to side. I'm actually trying to bend them a little bit. They're actually not bending. So they really shouldn't take any more abuse than that. Yep. So it's not super chintz. There's some structure there. And yeah, so I can't wait to take this out to the range and set it up, try it out. Pray to God that it works farther than 300 yards, because that's going to suck if it doesn't. But keep posted, keep your eyes out for my video. I'm going to go over setting it up, how to properly set it up, downloading the app, blah, 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 how to use the app. All that happy hoopla in my next video. So stay tuned here, Flint Eastwood's Armory.